Hello friends, so this is a very interesting video. Many of the people were asking, is there any way by which we can become a crorepati in our lifetime? There are so many things are happening in the market, that mutual funds, stocks, okay, there are so many bonds and so many things are there in the market. But is there any safe way, 100% safe way to become a crorepati even in our entire lifetime? Okay, so in this video I will be talking which is a very zero risk and you can easily become a crorepati, okay, in your life very easily, without any worry, without any tension. Okay, so let's go through this method. So we'll take an example. Okay, so let's take our one of the future entrepreneur, okay, Krit. His name is Krit and he is currently studying in, let's say, in a school. Okay, and he has the aspiration that he want to become a world-class automobile technocrat. Okay, and his dream job is, let's say, Tata Motors. And after completing his graduation, let's say he got a job in dream job at the age of 24 years in the Tata Motors. Okay? And he is basically got a very good package. Now the question comes, he has got an aspiration that he want to become a crorepati. Okay, but the question comes, how he can become a crorepati? Okay, because becoming a crorepati is not a very easy task. Okay, because once we get a money from the salary basically from the company, the question comes, what to do with that money, where to invest? So that is the lacking in many of the people around us. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss what the Krit actually did. Okay, so let's see. In order to become a crorepati, which is the new inspiration of the Krit, okay, so Krit did a little bit of calculation. Let's say he is at 24-year-old currently. Okay, and if he will be retiring, let's say, at the age of 60 years, that means he is having the 36 years of professional career. That means he will be working 36 of years during his entire career. Okay, now in this 36 years, can he become crorepati? That's the question. Okay, many people we see like they basically their generation have not become crorepati. Okay, now the question is how to become. Let's understand that. So same question is Krit asking, can I become a crorepati in my life? Okay, so let's see in this video. There are so many things, assets are available to us. He can deposit in the fixed deposits, he can do stocks, he can play in commodity, he can play in real estate, he can play in crypto, but they all are very risky and he has to spend a lot more time to ensure that his money is growing, correct? But he is also having his job. He cannot do that simultaneously, otherwise he has to leave his job and work as a full-time on this creating of the assets, but it is not possible because getting the job or working for the automobile company was his dream. But this is the new aspiration he has come, that he want to become a crorepati. So let's understand how to do that. So he thought, why not to invest in the public provident fund, which is a very interesting instrument. Let's understand what is this public provident fund is. Okay, so public provident fund anyone can open, only thing like he should be resident Indian. Okay, it is partially withdrawable after 5 years. Okay, and you can take a loan against this if you want down the line. You can contribute every year from 500 to 1.5 lakh per year. You can get a tax rebate out of that under ATC. Your frequency, you can deposit 12 times in a year. Lock-in period is 15 years. So it is a very good instrument. In between also, let's say you got some party. Sometimes what happens if we have so much money in our saving account, what will say? Okay, let's buy a phone, correct? Let's buy a very good laptop. But since this is locked, you cannot use. So it is a very good tool and guaranteed returns, correct? Whatever happens, volcano comes, okay, corona comes, government is going to give you the fixed return. There is no loss in this. So zero risk. Okay. Now let's understand what is the crorepati journey of the Krit will be. Okay, so this is a very interesting graph. Okay, so I will walk you through. So let's say Krit invested every year 1.5 lakh. So Krit is 24 years now. Okay, so he thought every year I will invest 1.5 lakh in the PPF amount every year, okay, without any thinking. So let's say every 1st of April, I will invest 1.5 lakh and I will sleep after that. I need not to check anything. What is going to happen then over the period of time, okay, so let's say because this is called a compounding, power of compounding. Every year you get an interest on that, okay, and interest is always slightly better than your inflation rate. So that means your value or your wealth is basically, or the value of the money is at par your inflation or slightly better than that, okay. So with this calculation you can see currently I have assumed the 7.1% interest rate which is currently going on. Earlier it was 10% also, correct. So if the interest rate increases, this is decided by the government every quarter, okay, and then what happens, like at the end of the year your interest is getting credited into your account. So what we see, like at the end of 25 years, okay, at the end of 25 years, that means when the Krit will be at the age of 47 or 48, he will be becoming a crorepati, correct, without taking any sort of a risk, okay, without doing anything. He is just investing regularly every year 1.5 lakh. So if we do the little calculation, he has invested the 37.5 lakh in the 25 years. And how much he is getting? 1.03 crores. My God, it is 3 times approximately, isn't it? 3 times in a 25 years. No debt instrument can give you, correct, not even FD, okay. So it is a second better your fixed return instrument after the employee provident fund. Now, so you are getting the interest rate, but let's say Krit decided, okay, I don't want to take this money out as of now and I want to continue till my retirement, correct. Let's see what is going to happen. This is going to be happening the wonders. Wow. In the next 11 years, he will only invest 16.5 lakh. That's it, okay, in the next 11 years. But he is going to earn extra 1.6 crores. I have assumed only 7.1% interest rate. Down the line in the future, this rate is going to increase. So your money will also increase. That means at the end of the retirement, if let's say he invests regularly with this minimal interest rate, you are going to get a 2.6 crore without any issue, okay. This is the fantastic journey. This is called the power of compounding, okay. So the early you do this, the early you become, okay, crorepati, and this has to be done regularly. There should not be any mess in any of their installment because the compounding is happening every year, okay. So that's why Krit wealth at retirement will be 2.6 crore. Fantastically 100% safest method, okay. And so that means in summary, 24 years old Krit invested a 1.5 lakh at the end of, okay, in the first 25 years he became crorepati, first 25 years, and after that he became almost a 2.5 times crorepati. That means 2.5 crore at the end of retirement. This is the time to apply this learning in your life. You can also become crorepati, isn't it? Okay, and the famous quote by Albert Einstein, compound interest. And why this is happening? Because of the compound interest. It is the 8th wonder of the world. Whoever understand it always create a wealth, and who doesn't always keep on paying. Hope this video would have given you the enough insight how to become a crorepati. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel for getting the more similar videos. Thank you.